Welcome to our 24 hours in Seattle, a city we've always wanted to visit, and we got the opportunity to do so this first American vacation of ours. This is the last video in the series, but I hope that you enjoyed the trip with us. Hi, how are you? Good. Okay, so we are very early.
Want to check in?
Yes,
Okay.
Van Eyck.
Okay. Can I take a peek ID card? If it's ready, I can check in.
Yes, you have your ID. You can have my ID too. I booked it under my husband's name, but
Oh, okay. There's but the reservation under the same name.
yes.
Mama got excited for so close.
Just show them us the hotel.
Okay, so this is the elevators. They go up very fast. They're very old school and fancy. And this is where you check in. There's a Starbucks right there. The area where you eat, that's where you come in. That's just like a little curtain for when you eat. And then the rooms are up there. And then over here is where you check in.
That's the room you tap.
Oh, okay. Yes, that's fine.
So because you do have usually the floor all the way from first.
Let me show you guys a little bit more. Here's your workplace. If you want to search something up or you have work to do. This is just like care stuff. They have like toys. They have stuff they use. They have toothpaste. They have toothbrushes. They have everything. So if you don't want to go to the store and it's like too far from here, you can just use your card and then go like this to the buttons to get these. This one says out of order. Oh yeah, and there's a little like snack area over here. It's so cool. And then this is the ceiling. Can't believe we're here. It's so cool. This is for water breaks. If you need a little stop and you forgot to bring your water bottle, you could just get one of these and put it in there, and then cold, or if you want cold water, you press this. If you want room water, like kind of warm, kind of cold, you press that. If you want hot water, then hold, release, and then press. Whoa, there they're going. It's so cool. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to go in one of those. And over here is an escalator. It literally feels like it's a mall. Literally. Oh, I thought it was an escalator, but it's just stairs. It kind of looks like one when you don't see the stairs. There's like lots of levels. I think there's 8 here. The elevator's coming. It's so cool, guys. I'm so excited to show you guys our room that we got, and I'm so excited to see my room. So
Yeah.
I got no time.
Thank you. We have 24 hours in Seattle, so come along and see how much we can pack into these 24 hours.
And since we have only 24 hours, so a day and just like breakfast and stuff, then we're going, we need to make it last very good.
We need to make lots of memories.
Yeah.
Okay.
We are in room 825.
Papa, this one.
Go. Let's take the stairs.
It's like an escalator. Look at these.
Yeah.
I was about to touch it. Never touch it. Never touch it. You see lights.
Okay. Down. We need to go down to the first.
Up. Too late now. Now I'm scared because it goes down fast.
First floor. Libby!
Oh! Oh! Oh my gosh!
We need to go down.
Yo,
We
I
are
can't use the
in
young
transport, something that South Africa is not used to, well, generally. We are in a yellow cab on our way to Pike Place.
Pike Place.
That's just Pike Place.
No, I thought it was Pike Place.
$45. Fresh fruits, golden kiwis, mangoes, strawberries, dates. Yo, that's a huge apple. Yes, kyk hierdie lekker apricots, né? Yes, dit lyk lekker. Sweet ripe honey mangoes. Huh. Yes, check hierdie groot peaches.
Okay, Brad.
Wow. Clams. This is a busy place. Oh, dit ruik lekker. Giant papayas.
Dried fruit.
Yes. Yes, giant strawberries.
They're massive.
Yeah.
They got giant everything.
Live oysters, live crabs. Public market. There is a lot of people here today. Wow.
My funny sister was more.
In a store with French and Spanish and Italian foods. Wine, $110.
Mom, there's brisket.
Chorizo. This is chorizo.
Ooh. Hy is beskuit. Wel, dit lyk so, maar dit is nie. Hier sit iets op dit.
Hierdie chorizo vat.
En waar gaan ons dit eet? Ons kan dit by die huis opkoop.
Chorizo blanco.
Wow, wat zo?
Maar daar is nie die tipe chorizo wat ons ken.
Nou, dit komt van Spanje.
Okay, maar hoe gaan ons dit koud hou?
So chorizo Leon. Daai is die tipe chorizo daar.
Ja.
Ja,
Maar
dit
hoe
is
gaan ons...
mense.
Ja. Nicolas nie.
Daar is ook chorizo.
Ja, daar is meer wat ons ken.
Kijk hier.
Hey, Dave, catch it right off.
You want to go on a carousel ride?
Living their best lives. Oh nee, wacht. This is a video. Sitting here by the Ferris wheel having a Coca-Cola. And next up we are going to the aquarium.
Yes, sir.
Ek dink nie dis 'n game nie. Wag vir ons, julle. Sit daar so. Wel, sit. Sit.
It's true, and we are a really huge part of that biodiversity as well. Each of us contribute to that goal every single day, wherever we are in the world and whatever we may be doing, ways we interact with water, whether that is keeping it clean and free of any kind of debris, or whether it is being mindful of how much we are using when we are nourished by water. These things can all mean that these animals have everything they need anywhere that there is water. Since whether it is water under the ground, in the river,
The famous Seattle Gum Wall started in the 1990s as a place for people waiting for shows at the nearby Market Theater to stick their gum. It's now a colorful, bizarre landmark where visitors can add their own gum. It was cleaned in 2015 when 2,350 pounds of gum were removed. The wall is a continuous work in progress, with gum being added again almost immediately after the massive cleaning. After the gum wall finding, we took a break at Pike Place at the market, and we had some fish and fries or fish and chips. It was delightful. Even though we had to move away from where we were sitting, we ended up sitting on the curb. But hey, anyway, it was a really hot day, but it was a delicious lunch. Making our way back to the hotel, we got a peek at Mount Rainier. It is the most heavily glaciated peak in the contiguous US. It is an active volcano and it is the tallest mountain in Washington state. Other facts include it being the 5th US national park, the home of the 93-mile Wonderland Trail, and having historical significance, such as Walt Disney taking his honeymoon there. Breakfast at the Hilton. So we have some omelets here, skipfiele, waffles, Belgian waffles, berry sauce, toast, sausages, applewood bacon, hash browns. I'll help you in a second. Scrambled eggs, yogurt parfait and fresh oatmeal. Ooh, yum. And different ingredients for the muesli. Ooh.
I'm gonna use this.
And I think this is syrup. And then you have oaties, raisin bran, and then all the kinds of kids' cereals. Over on this side, we have some fresh fruits, deli meats and cheese plaisir, and some pastries, assorted muffins, and fresh bread, and maple. Over on this side, we have a toaster. Yummy. Breakfast time. Hello, Bella. It's great. Breakfast time. And finally, we started making our way back home. The long road lay ahead of us, but we were grateful for a really super great first American vacation. It was wonderful until we had our vehicle accident in Missoula, Montana. But we are grateful for many people who helped us during that time. We saw a lot of interesting things along the road, such as these dust devils. A dust devil is a small rotating column of air that forms on hot, dry days when the sun intensely heats the ground. This uneven heating creates a vertical updraft of rising air, which can begin to spin and lift dust and debris into a visible vortex. Unlike tornadoes, they form from the ground up and do not originate from thunderstorms. Those strong dust devils can still cause damage by tossing debris. This was a really interesting nature sight that we saw on our way back home. The day after our accident, Hertz was so kind to help us rent a vehicle, and this is the vehicle that they rented to us. It took us home safely. Thank you again, Hertz, for helping us get a hold of this vehicle and get home again safely. Thank you to everyone who watched our trip, our first USA vacation trip. Yes, it was not short of drama, but it was filled with a ton of fun. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Remember to subscribe, give us a like, a love, comment below what your favorite part of our first American vacation was. See you guys soon.